Here is a wonderful 2018 Honda Fit. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This Honda Fit is the clever subcompact that wrote the book on versatility. Sporty and efficient, it's a surprisingly spacious four-door hatchback with flexible cargo configurations and all the latest in smart safety and connectivity tech. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. See for yourself how this versatile, fun-loving Honda Fit puts the joy back into everyday driving. Come in for a test drive today.